Lots of climbing. Lots of rocks. Back's hurting a bit, but everything else is doing good. I hate these rocks. Oh boy. I think I come out over there. So I think maybe as I crest this, I might get a view of Garnet Lake. We shall see. Maybe not. Thanks. It's probably right down in there. So not quite yet. All right. Take a quick picture. And we shall see if I can see Garnet just past this. Yes, indeed I can. It's beautiful. Nice. What's the other one? I think this, that part of the lake, or is that, might be another one. I'm gonna take pictures once I get down to, wow, that's so pretty. Once I get down to the lake, at the junction or whatever, I'm gonna stop and have lunch. At that point, I'll have like 2.5 miles to go until I start looking for campsites. I'm not sure if that was another lake or not. If it was Altha Lake. I'm not sure if I can see it from up there. But I should be going over there for the junction. Really pretty. Ouch. So I'm coming up to the footbridge, which I think is where the junction is. GMT South. Unmaintained trail not recommended for stock. Ooh. Wow. pretty. One more picture of Garnet. Maybe two.
Looks like it's this way.
Yep. I guess that water normally gets a lot higher.
Yeah.
I'll have lunch here. Leaving Garnet Lake at 11 o'clock. Had my little lunch and stuff and headed to Thousand Island Lake now, which is in 2.5 miles. Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Good. Thanks.
No worries, man.
Happy trails.
Happy trails to you too.
Thanks. So I think I finally got to the top of the hill so I can traverse over to Thousand Island. Tough hill. Starting to see some clouds that could turn into storm clouds. A lot of dead trees here. That lake there is going to be Ruby Lake. Then after that, on the right, I should see Emerald Lake. You know what? I'm seeing a theme here. Ruby, Emerald, Garnet. Here's a better view of Ruby. And I just got a message from Beth asking how my feet are doing because the terrain looks rough. Well, it is rough. It's been pretty rough. Hopefully I can get a better vantage to take a good picture of Ruby. Ooh, dirt. Oh. That's better. Ruby Lake. Emerald Lake just ahead. And after that, Thousand Island. Doesn't appear to be as pretty as Ruby. Wow. Look at all that. It's all red. It is pretty though. Such interesting rocks. I might see Thousand Island after this hill, I don't know. But we're gonna find out right now. No view, I guess. Maybe on the next one. Let's try this again, shall we? Must be it. Cool. Let's just double check. I'm certain it is, but yep, that's it. Thousand Island Lake, and my stop for today. 8.2 miles, maybe a bit more depending where I can find a campsite. But I would like to find one near the main trail, so I don't have too far to go. Trail is beginning to mellow out. Still can't see much of the lake yet, but I will. Well, what's the difference here? Why are there two trails? I guess I'll go this one. I don't know. I'm supposed to be close to the lake. Unless it's going to a campsite, or I don't know. They'll probably join back together. Oh, it's two different crossings. This one's probably for the higher crossing. And the other one's just rock hopping. Same difference. I guess I'll take this one. Hope we don't fall in. Seems really old. Definitely bent out of shape. This makes me nervous because I have to look down. See some campsites. I want to camp a little bit further.